I'm going to answer a question that came in off the internet. My name is Marco Brown. I'm a divorce attorney here in Salt Lake City, Utah. So here is the question. My husband is now back in South Africa. Before he became a citizen, I don't want to be married to him anymore. I want him out of my life and to have my name changed back. We aren't splitting anything and we have no kids. He won't be signing papers because he's in South Africa and he will never get that mail. Okay, this is actually kind of complicated. If he agrees with everything and you can get him to sign the papers via email or send them to him and he prints them off and signs them, whatever, that is by far the easiest way to get this done. Because if you don't get a signature on these papers and he lives in South Africa, then really the way you need to go about this is you need to go talk to the government officials in the embassy in South Africa or a South African embassy in the United States and give him notice, so effectuate service is what we call it. So effectuate service on him in South Africa, okay, which is a long process and can be a very expensive process. We've had to do this. We've had to do this in India. We've had to do this in Mexico. We've had to do this in Europe, not in Canada. Not simple, takes forever, especially with COVID now. We had one case where we had a Canadian, we had to try to get him served with papers. We literally couldn't do it because the Canadian government had shut down that arm of the government that serves the papers. So we just had to sit on the case for like a year because Canada would not play ball, okay? South Africa may well be the same way. So very, very complicated situation if you want to go that way. Costs a lot of money, takes a lot of time. So what I would suggest is you just talk to him I'm using you, but anybody out there that finds himself in the situation, you really just need to talk with the other person and agree on everything and then send the documents and have that person sign them. Okay, it's going to cut the time by 10 and cut the cost by thousands and thousands of dollars. So try to be on the same page, try to get everything signed. If you can't, then you can do this, but it's going to take a long time and cost a lot of money.